Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yadira and welcome. Today I am doing a clean and decorate with me for the fall 2020, which I am so excited for. I just absolutely love the fall and I really wanted to decorate early this year because of everything that's been going on. I felt like I really needed a change, especially just like adding some color. I also mentioned in my last video that after the holidays, I didn't get a chance to ever decorate for the springtime. So this house has been bare since like January, which is another reason why I wanted to decorate early. So I started by going through everything that I bought last year and separating what I was going to use this year. I used most of the things, but some items, maybe like two, I just didn't want to use this year. And also last year when the fall ended, there were a couple things that were on sale that I did end up getting for this year. So I did end up putting those around the house. So quick little background and like disclaimer. Last year we bought this house and when we moved we didn't really have any furniture, and I remember last year's video we didn't even have a dining room table and we just got that TV stand like 2 weeks ago. So throughout the video you're gonna see me moving stuff around, and I did end up changing some items. Like after I put them down I was like, you know what, I don't like it there, let me just move it. So I was kind of just like moving items around and seeing like where I wanted them to go and where I would think that they would look good. So you're gonna see me doing that a lot throughout this video. Also, do you guys store away your candles for the next year? Because I remember last year I didn't get through all of the candles. So I remember I put them away in that bin that you guys saw earlier and I stored it away in the attic. And then when I was looking through the stuff on that day that I was cleaning and organizing for the fall time, I pulled out all the candles and I was like, wow, I forgot I totally didn't get to use all of them. But I feel like it's just kind of weird to like store them for the next year. I don't know if that's weird or not, but like let me know in the comments down below if you think that's weird, because I don't know why I did that. And then one of them was kind of like melted, so I don't know if it was because it was too hot up there or if that's even a good idea or something that people do, because I feel like people most likely just go through all of their candles before the holiday is over so then they don't have to save it. But I don't know why I did, but I did. So yeah. All that mess you see right there on the table is literally from the other TV stand we had, and we never had a chance to put it away, so I had to do that on that day and just kind of go through any trash and items that we didn't need anymore, just to kind of like declutter the space. For the dining room table, I kept it very simple because I couldn't find my table runner. I have like this cream whitish table runner that I used for Christmas time, and I really liked it because it just went with the house and it's very neutral and stuff, and I figured I could use it like all year round. So I wanted to use it for the fall time, but I really just couldn't find it. I literally looked everywhere for that table runner and I just couldn't find it. So I ended up just going with this kind of like a leaf decor type thing that last year I had like by the kitchen window, but I just wanted to put that on the table this year because I just didn't have anything to put on the table. Last year I did get a table runner, but I remember the table that we had last year was way smaller than this one, and that table runner did not fit on this table, so I just couldn't use that. So moving on to the kitchen, I didn't have to do much in this room. I just had to do the dishes and kind of just like wipe down the counters. I absolutely just love doing the dishes. I've mentioned before that we've never used the dishwasher before because I just rather just like do them by hand. I feel like it's very pleasing in a way, and it's just very like calming and stuff. I really don't mind doing the dishes. I actually would rather do the dishes than put them away. I know it's weird because I feel like people would rather put them away than do the dishes, but I'd rather just like do them and just put them away myself. So I recently bought a new cleaning product, and I believe the line is from like the Everspring line or something like that from Target, and it's actually a bigger bottle than the Mayors cleaning spray, and it was like $2 or $3, and the Mayors one is so much smaller, and it was around like maybe $6 or $7-ish. I don't remember exactly, but I know it was more expensive than the Everspring one. So I'm excited to try the other one. I actually do like the Mayors one because it has like that lemon scent. You can actually get it in different scents, but I like the lemon one and it smells so good, and I feel like it really does its job. But I wanted to try this one because it's a bigger bottle. It's probably gonna last a lot longer than this one, and it's cheaper. So I want to try that one out and see like if it smells or anything like that. I absolutely hate clutter. I hate messes, but sometimes like we just come inside the house and we just throw everything literally like anywhere, and I really need to get out of this habit because this is literally how we create messes. Also ended up switching the baskets where we put our keys in. The one that I have right now is from Target, the white one, but the one that I got is from Michael's, and I believe it was like 30 or 40% off. Michael's actually had some pretty good deals, so if you guys haven't bought anything for the fall time, definitely check out Michael's because they really had some good deals there. For the living room, I was having the hardest time deciding what pillows I wanted to keep and what pillows I wanted to add on and stuff. Eventually, I ended up going with those white ones because I was originally going to go with the yellow ones, but after putting them on, I just felt like it was more of a spring type of vibe, so I just went with the white ones and ended up putting the red blanket over top, which I think tied it well, like just all together. I feel like my favorite part of the whole house has to be the living room. I feel like everything just tied in well together. Let me know what your favorite part was because I would love to know. So that is pretty much it for this fall clean and decorate with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and get some ideas on how to decorate your home. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I will link it down below because in that video I mentioned where everything is from and where I got everything pretty much. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I do post every Sunday, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
cry, cry your heart tonight.